Alright, good Sunday afternoon, everybody. This is my entry for next year's HobbyLink International Tall Ships group build here. I'm getting into it because I've got a year to do it. And I told Big Charlie that I would build this someday for his uncle that passed away a few years back. Which I'm very happy that he thought of me when he was not going to build it himself and he wanted somebody he knew who would build it. So here we are. So, see if I get this open. I'm going to show y'all that it is, well, it's good tape on it too. I'll get it on one side. I should have done the other side. Well, let's just do it this way, folks. Oh, I should have done it the first time. Alright. And yeah, this isn't, as far as I can tell, an original kit. Of course, the holes are already off. I guess his uncle was fixing to work on this. As you can see, it's got all these already opened up. It's molded that way. So yeah, never started it per se. He got it off the tree or it fell off like some of these other parts did me. But this kit, according to this, 1975. It's the last date on it. That's what the box shows. I think there's a date on here. Make a liar out of me. Ah, here we go. Yeah, 1975 kit here. And yeah. You can tell by the yellowing. Yeah, it's definitely no decals. It does have this that needs to be cut out, and this too, I'm guessing, for the flag. But yeah, very few trees on it. But I do like how it explains everything to you. This guy needs all the help you can get. Second ship. This will be my second one. The first one was the second 40-hour group build I did for Craig Mutt Modeler. Of course, it was about that long. Yeah, that long. It was a 1/750, 1/700 scale Tamiya, Japanese. Was it Kazakage or something like that? Okay. Oh wait, I can show it to you. Yeah, that's right. Right behind me, dummy. Don't have the box. But there it is. That's what I built. Like I said, it's only so big. And I got it done. Painted everything. Got the little flag on the back here. Had one here. I don't know where it went. Moved a few times from in the house here. But anyway, it's not about that. No, the video's not. It's about this right here. Show you. It's got 24 pages. It's like a little waterways journal. What do you want to call this? Well, 3 of these for the cells. I've got this sprue down here. I'm gonna be careful about this one because when I was putting it back in the box earlier, when I was inventorying everything, a couple of them fell out. I bumped it into a desk down there. But yeah, these 2 fell out. I'll try to keep them straight. Come over here. But yeah, this here and here, of course, is where the cells. Oh, try to straighten this up a little better. Yeah, these empty slots are where the holes went. And these 2 here. One there and one here. So, and then we've got more. Box is not in the best shape. Then we've got this big fracking screw. You got your main deck and the back bear towards the poop deck, I guess. I'm thinking. I'm probably wrong. I think it goes back on the stern. of the ship. Of course, you got your skiffs, yawls, whatever y'all want to call them. The captain's wheel. I thought it was, but I don't think it is. Because you got captain's wheel here, and there's another one there. So I don't know if Charlie Mack watches this. He'll straighten me out on it. But yeah, you got all the skiffs here. Yeah. Oh, the rat lines are all right here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12 of them. And as far as I know, it's complete. Other pieces here. Yeah. So, and of course, your thread and your line. Yeah. If I don't have enough of this, which, who knows, I might. I've got enough behind me in my toolbox. So we're set on that. So this is going to be my entry into the Hobby Link International Tall Ships group build. All right, Kenny, this is 1 of 3. I've got 2 more to do. I gotta learn how to. I'm used to the camera being in front of me, but I've got this set up now, so there's a group build, not group build, but a live feed going on. When I'm working on something, they can see what I'm doing instead of just worrying about what I'm saying. They can see what I'm doing. But anyway, yeah. Get this back in. I know I could probably end the video here, but I want to make sure I do this right. Oh yeah. Put everything properly back. And as I understand, it starts January 1st to December 31st, which is awesome. That's one of the main reasons I'm getting in it in the first place, because it's almost as good as no time limit. Yeah, I said almost. Yeah. Put that there. Get these in here. Yeah, would be nice, but nope. Not so lucky. Let's just do that and hope for the best. Okay, folks. There she be. Yeah, it wasn't that fun closing it the first time. But this is going to go up above me here. Yeah. Or maybe I'll find a spot for it. But yeah, that's it, folks. That's it for this one. Try to make it short. Forget stuff to the point, but I never can. I don't know how some people can. But yeah, man, it's dusty. Been in the back of the house for a while. But yeah, that's it. I'm done babbling. Let me find my mouse. And there you go. I hope to see everybody else's entries for this. So until then, trash. Sorry about that. Squirrel, yeah. And we'll talk to y'all later, folks. Take care.